फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू बैंक एग्ज़ाम कैफ़े। आज की एपिसोड में हम आर.एल. अरोरा की किताब से जो अनसॉल्व्ड क्वेश्चंस है वो हम सॉल्व कर रहे हैं। अब तक के हमने 2 एपिसोड्स अपलोड किए हैं, यह तीसरा एपिसोड है और एक्सरसाइज नंबर 2.1 पे जो बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस है उसे हम सॉल्व कर रहे हैं। तो फॉर व्हाट वैल्यू ऑफ k इज -3 अ जीरो ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल x² प्लस 11x प्लस k। पूछा गया है कि k की कौन सी वैल्यू के लिए -3 ये इस पॉलिनोमियल का जीरो होगा। जब -3 किसी भी पॉलिनोमियल का अगर जीरो होता है तो जब हम x की वैल्यू -3 सब्स्टिट्यूट करते हैं तो उस समय उस पॉलिनोमियल की वैल्यू जीरो होती है। तो यहाँ पर -3 जीरो ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल है, तो इसका मतलब -3 हम x के जगह सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे तो उस पॉलिनोमियल की वैल्यू कितनी आनी चाहिए, जीरो आनी चाहिए। तो हमें जो दिया हुआ पॉलिनोमियल है वो p ऑफ x दैट इज इक्वल टू x² प्लस 11x प्लस k। अब p ऑफ -3 कितना आना चाहिए, इट शुड बी जीरो। p ऑफ -3 शुड बी जीरो क्योंकि -3 ये इस पॉलिनोमियल का जीरो है। तो p ऑफ 3 तो x के जगह p ऑफ -3 तो x के जगह हम -3 पुट करेंगे तो हमें मिलेगा -3² प्लस 11 इंटू -3 प्लस k and that should be equal to 0. Now solve this equation. So 3 square will be -3 bracket square will be 9 because minus square will be -3 square means -3 into -3 that is plus 9 and this will be plus minus minus and 11 3s are 33 so -33 and this will be plus k which is equal to 0. Now -33 plus 9 -33 plus 9 that will be -24 plus k that is equal to 0 and take -24 to the other side and you will get it as k is equal to 24. Highlight your answer because highlighting the important step is very important. So k is equal to 24. So for the value of k that is equal to 24, the given polynomial will have -3 as the zero of the polynomial. Now let us move to the next question. अगला प्रश्न है कि verify whether 2, 3 and 1/2 are the zeros of the polynomial. द पॉलिनोमियल दिया हुआ है 2x³ माइनस 11x² प्लस 17x माइनस 6 और पूछा गया है क्या 2, 3 और 1/2 ये इस पॉलिनोमियल के जीरोज है या नहीं है, दैट वी हैव टू वेरीफाई। सो हियर इफ 2, फर्स्ट वी विल स्टार्ट विथ 2, if 2 is a 0 then if you put the value of x as 2 then the value of the polynomial should be 0. So first we will find it for p of 2 is equal to, so what we get p of 2, so it will be 2 multiplied by x की वैल्यू हम 2 सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे तो वो होगा 2³ माइनस 11 इंटू x की वैल्यू हम पुट कर रहे हैं 2 so it will be 2 ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर प्लस 17x तो x की वैल्यू हम कितनी ले रहे हैं 2 so 2 minus 6 that constant term as it is. Now solve this. This is 2 will be what, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 and 8 2s are 16, so this will be 16 minus this will be 2 square will be 4 and 11 into 4 that will be 44 plus 17 2s are 34 and minus 6 and so if you solve this you will get 16 plus 34 that is 50 minus 14 plus 6 that will be 50 and so 50 minus 50 that is equal to 0 and since p of 2 की वैल्यू हमें 0 मिल गई है इसलिए हम कहेंगे कि 2 is a zero of the polynomial. अब इसी तरह से हम 3 के लिए करेंगे कि वेरीफाई वेदर 3 इज अ जीरो ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल। तो हम इस गिवन पॉलिनोमियल में x की वैल्यू 3 पुट करेंगे और चेक करेंगे वेदर p of 3 is equal to 0 or not. If p of 3 is 0, then it is a 0 of the polynomial. तो चलिए हम p of 3 फाइंड करते हैं. p of 3 का है ना? Yes, p of 3. Now p of 3, so we will put the value as which is equal to 2x cube that is 2 multiplied by x cube that is 3 cube minus 11 into x square that is 3 square plus 17 into x, the value of x is 3 minus last number is minus 6. Now simply solve this. So it will be 2 into 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 3 cube is 27 and 27 into 2 that will be 54 minus 3 square that is 9, 9 into 11 that is 99 plus 17 3s are 51 minus 6. So which is equal to, here if you add this two positive numbers you will get it as 105, and if you add these two negative numbers you will get minus 99 minus 6, that will be minus 105, and which is equal to 0. And since p of 3 that is equal to 0, we can say that 3 is a 0 of the polynomial. 3 is a 0 of the polynomial. Now let us move for the next one. Next is what? It is asked that whether 1 upon 2 is a 0 of the polynomial. So we will solve that. So p of 1 upon 2. P of 1 upon 2. And I am writing that polynomial here. The polynomial is that 2x cube minus 11x square plus 17x minus 6. Now so p of 1 half should be equal to 0. So p of 1 half, that is we are putting the value of x as 1 upon 2. So it will be 2 multiplied by 1 upon 2 bracket cube minus 11x, that is 11 into 1 upon 2 bracket square plus 17 into x, 17x, so x is what? 1 upon 2 minus 6. Now we will solve this. So which is equal to 2 into, this will be 1 half cube, that is 2 cube will be 8, so it will be 1 upon 8. So minus this will be 11 into 1 half square, that will be 1 by 4 plus 17 into 1 half, so minus 6. Now we will solve this. So here it will be 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, and our LCM will be what? LCM will be 4. So here we will multiply by 1 because the denominator is 4 itself. So this will be 1. This will be minus 11 upon 4. So that will be minus 11, and then here 17 by 2. Here we will have to multiply by 2 so that the denominator will be 4. So 17 2s are 34, so it will be 34, and here we will multiply by 4, and so 6 4s are 24, and so which is equal to, this will be 1 plus 34, that will be 35, minus this will be minus 11 minus 24, that will be 35 upon 4, and that is equal to 0. And so here we can say that since p of 1 upon 2 that is equal to 0, then 1 half is a 0 of the polynomial, 0 of the given polynomial. Okay, now here move to the next question. The next question is that verify 1, 2 and 3 are the zeros of the polynomial. क्या 1, 2 और 3 ये दिए हुए पॉलिनोमियल के जीरोस है या रूट्स है, वो हमें वेरीफाई करना है. तो पॉलिनोमियल है p of x इज इक्वल टू वाई क्यूब माइनस 6y स्क्वायर plus 11y minus 6, and this is for the homework. I hope you can solve this and write your answers into the description box, whether 1 is a 0 of this polynomial or not, whether 2 is a 0 of this polynomial or not, or 3 is a 0 of the polynomial or not. So friends, I hope you must have enjoyed this video. If yes, please like the video, share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching this video.